Hey there, makers! Are you looking to take your DIY projects to the next level? Today we're diving into the world of xTool machines. From laser cutters to blade carvers, these versatile tools can help you create stunning crafts and functional items. Let's explore the best xTool machines on the market and find the perfect one for your needs. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1 xTool, M1 Laser and Blade. This is a standout in crafting and merging blade and laser cutter technologies into one versatile machine. It won the Red Dot Design Award for its innovative approach. Featuring a 10-watt diode laser, it's less powerful than the Glowforge Pro's 45-watt CO2 laser and the Glowforge Plus's 40-watt laser, making it slower and unable to cut clear acrylic. However, it is more affordable and has a longer-lasting diode. Its blade is a standard cutting blade, not a rotary one. Despite these limitations, the xTool M1 is a great hybrid tool, ideal for projects needing both cutting and engraving. Its automated features and the xTool Creative Space app simplify use, though the app is still in beta and somewhat buggy. Number 2. xTool P2. This is the latest and most powerful laser cutter and engraver from the brand, featuring a robust 55-watt CO2 laser, making it ideal for heavy-duty domestic use. It's larger and heavier than other models, requiring a dedicated workspace. While it's a top recommendation for experienced users due to its power and features, the xTool M1 remains a better option for beginners due to its affordability and ease of use. Initial impressions of the P2 are positive. It boasts a large work area with a pass-through slot for extended projects, a built-in cooling system, light burn compatibility, a sturdy metal chassis, and a 16-megapixel dual camera for efficient scanning. Unique to the P2 is its curved surface engraving feature, allowing for work on uneven surfaces. However, additional accessories like an automatic feeder and riser base are recommended for optimal use. Number 3. xTool D1 Pro. This is a solid choice for those seeking a fast and reliable laser cutter and engraver. Although it's an older design compared to the newer M1, it offers versatility with laser options ranging from 5 to 40 watts. The D1 Pro can cut 10mm basswood and 8mm acrylic in one pass and includes features like a gyroscope for accurate setups and a flame detector for safety. While it's an open-frame design, which can produce smoke and odors, the D1 Pro allows for adjustable laser height, though you'll need the additional riser kit for larger objects. It's slightly less expensive than the M1, but doesn't match its overall capabilities. Additional accessories like a rotary tool, smoke hood, and infrared laser module for metal engraving add to its functionality, making it a versatile choice for various projects. Number 4. xTool Screen Printing. It streamlines traditional screen printing, making it more accessible for both beginners and experienced users. It pairs with compatible xTool laser cutters like the S1 and D1 Pro, using laser engraving for quick screen creation, bypassing traditional preparation methods. Available in multicolor and basic kits, it includes screens, inks, a squeegee, and other essentials. The system is user-friendly and durable, with screens lasting over 100 prints. It's suitable for t-shirts, tote bags, and paper. However, it requires a compatible laser cutter to operate and isn't compatible with the xTool S1 riser base. Replacement screens can be expensive, but are recoatable at home. Overall, it's a highly recommended option for those seeking a faster alternative to traditional screen printing and who already own a compatible xTool laser cutter. Number 5. xTool S1. This is an enclosed diode laser cutter and engraver ideal for crafters, offering fast production and high-quality results on various materials. It features effective preset material settings, good fume extraction, and compatibility with both Lightburn software and the user-friendly xTool Creative Suite. While it excels in safety and output quality, the S1 has some drawbacks, including a manual pinpoint positioning system, lacking a camera, Wi-Fi connectivity issues, and loud system beeps. Its workspace of 498 by 319 millimeters and 20 watts diode laser with options for 40 watts and 2 watt IR modules makes it efficient for single pieces but less so for batch production. Overall, the S1 is well suited for beginners and small projects, offering ease of use and versatility, though it's less ideal for large-scale production due to its desktop footprint and manual positioning. So, which xTool machine is the best? After careful consideration, I'd have to say the xTool M1 laser and blade takes the top spot. Its versatility, precision, and ease of use make it a fantastic choice for both beginners and experienced makers. But remember, the best machine is the one that fits your specific projects and budget.